So we're here at West Cape Beach for sunset tonight, and it's looking really nice. Tide has come in very far, and the waves are really picking up now. They're massive right now. The sun coming through from behind the cliff here, and on the cliffs over in the distance. So we just got down to the beach and the sun went down behind the clouds. A little bit of bad timing there, but at least we got the landscape shots up the top there. So we got probably the most important thing done. So right now what I'm doing is I'm getting these really close-up shots, sort of being risky with the camera, but I think it's worth it, of the algae bloom foam, and with the reflection of the orange sky, it sort of looks really cool. Alright, I'm putting you on my head now. Now you get to see exactly how much I'm risking my camera for these shots. So I'm currently looking for these really, really ugly, like sticky, thick patches of foam. So it's a bit different to this, and it floats in the more still water. It's not very still at all, but some more there, but I don't want to be too risky. And now as the water comes in, I'll move back. There's some more. Wow, there's no waves. And now we back up.
Amazing. These waves have been incredible.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, no, no. Okay, we're all good. So yeah, this algae is meant to like give you a cough and everything, but I've never actually experienced that. The only thing I've experienced is that rash, itchy rash. Oh my gosh. Now that was a close one. I was all the way over there, and it came all the way up here. That's pretty extreme. Here's a real big cuttlefish. Possibly washed up from the algae bloom, not really sure. And now we're backing up. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was too close. But we're all good, which is helpful. So it's now getting dark. I'm going to change my shutter speed down to, let's go 1/60th of a second. And now I'm going to have to get creative. Probably with some motion blur. Just like that. So the aim is to get one little section of the foam in focus. Okay, nearly got taken out, but I'm alright. Alright, so it's now probably too dark to get any good shots, so I'm probably gonna have to finish it off there. So this is a long drop, in case you've never seen it. So in here, if you're in Australia, then you would have seen one of these, but if you're not, maybe not. Yeah. Actually, I don't want to drop my camera down there. That would be horrible.